Count how many shapes are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're doing very well. 1, 2. Well done. 1. You're doing very well. 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Way to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're doing very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're doing very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it up. How many seats are on the bench? 6 seats. 6. Way to go. 7 seats. 7. You're doing very well. 9 seats. 4. It won't do. 9. Well done. Way to go. 4 seats. 4. You're doing very well. 8 seats. 8. Well done. Keep it up. 1 seat. 1. Well done. 3 seats. 6. Oops, wrong. 3. Keep it up. 5 seats. 5. You're doing very well. 2 seats. 2. Way to go. 8 seats. 8. Keep it up. 7 seats. Show how many shapes are in different areas. 7. Way to go. 4. Looks like something's wrong. Keep it up. 3. Way to go. 6. You're doing very well. 2. Keep it up! One. You're doing very well. Eight. Way to go!